Hi everyone, this is Nikita, just showing you how I use essential oils to keep these little critters off my kale. As you notice, they are biting daily. So I'm just going to take a bottle here of lemongrass, peppermint, and rosemary mixed in water. I used 1 drop of each. And I'm just going to give a little squirt to all my leaves. And that should repel those bugs naturally, so we don't have to have any pesticides. Look at that, big hole there. Besides spraying these, you can spray the stems too. If you want more pollinators for your plants, you can also use wild orange in your garden in the same way, because bees love wild orange. So I'm just going to spray my arugula here, a little bit of chard, and those bugs are going to be repelled. And then after this, I'm going to go down and spray the tomato plants. Have a good day.